LeBron James' offseason contract decision, whether to opt into the final year of his Lakers deal or seek a longer-term option, will be a major NBA storyline. Regardless of what the future holds for his playing career, LeBron's sneaker legacy remains secure thanks to his lifetime partnership with Nike. The LeBron NXXT Genisus line continues strong with a new pastel-inspired colorway set to release in fall 2025. This latest version features a light blue theme, enhanced by white and teal tint across its pattern base. A bold Aegean Storm swoosh outlined in Aurora Green stands out on the side, while another swoosh on the lateral side boasts an iridescent finish. Vibrant Siren Red details appear on the lace loops, tongue, and outsole, adding contrast to the otherwise cool toned palette. The Nike LeBron NXXT Genisus White, Aegean Storm, Aurora Green, Siren Red, Teal Tint and Sea Glass will retail for $155.